The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So in this video we are going to see that how we can earn from Medium. So if you are my old subscriber or follower, you might be know that I've already uploaded a video where I have shown you guys that how you can earn from Medium with affiliate. But in this video today we are not going to discuss something about affiliate or CPA marketing with Medium. Actually we are going to see something more interesting, what you can use to get earn from Medium. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video, and hope you will subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get all updates. Thank you. Medium.com/creators. So in this website we will able to know that if we have knowledge of writing and we have some ideas to get an engageful story, then we can simply earn from Medium. Now it's really easy. If you check the notice the FAQ section, it says that how we can make money from Medium. Just we have to join the Medium partner program. For that we have to visit this medium.com/earn this website, and here if we just scroll down and see how it works, this is absolutely free. We can join free to this section, and we can add our payment method and able to earn. We don't need any type of advertising. We just have to give a quality story or writing articles, and if it's necessary to use the image, we should use the image which is free for commercial use. Now how it's gonna pay us. So there is the option for the pro users who had to buy Medium Pro version for $5 each month, and you will get 10% of that amount. Okay, at first let's see the monthly traffic of this website. Now we can use this tool called similarweb.com. Now it will help us to find out the monthly traffic of this website or different websites. We can search with this. Now if we see that the global ranking of this website is really good and as well. And now if we see the traffic overview, we can able to know that it's approximately 200 million per month. So we are supposed to get this traffic in our each blog without doing any SEO or any advertising. Now let's come over to our main work. So it's really a great chance to earn from this Medium without having any website or blogger site. We can simply earn writing here in this Medium. Now click here the option for join the partner program, and it will ask you to log in or sign in with these options. But here if you don't have any account, you can just go for create account and give here your particular email, and after that it will maybe show you that it's error or already signed in with this email. So it's not necessary. If you have to check your email inbox, and you will see that they gonna send you a confirmation mail. Now here when you click the activation link in your mail, it will take you to the dashboard of that Medium partner program. Now from here you had to do set your all the payment procedure. Before that, please accept your terms and conditions for that Medium partner program. Now here is necessary to have an Stripe account before you get paid with Medium, because earlier they are allowing us to get paid over PayPal, but recently they changed their terms, and now it's only you can get paid over Stripe. So if you don't have any Stripe account, it will take you to the next page where you can simply create a Stripe account. Now you can see that when we just click here, it will take us to the next page where we can just give our email and password, or we can give our information to create a Stripe account. So after all done, we can jump over to the Medium Partner Program page, and here you can give your title, you can give your story, body, and the image to write. Now here's a question that what to write and what topic should we select for writing these stories. Here you can get simple help from Medium itself. When you get the main medium.com page, in the right side you will see there are so many topics like politics or arts or health or data science, programming, lots of topics. Now you can jump over again to the subtopics for that, and you have to select the see all topics, and you will see one by one there all the topics, the subtopic, and the categories you can work with. No matter what category or topic you choose, you will get audience or viewers for all these categories if you write according to these topics your story. So you can select any of them and start your work. Now if you are out of your mind and don't know what to write or what to give here for story, you can simply go with the math solutions. So you know that there are a lot of students who search online to find math problems and their solution. So if you can write articles according to that math problems, you maybe get enough audience for your that page, I mean that Medium article. You can also go with the comic, the movie or animation or story reviews, so you will get enough audience. You can go with the trending movie review articles or that top related that. Now if you don't know how to write a copyright-free article, I will show you in my next video that how you can write a copyright-free articles without having knowledge of writing. So make sure that you turn on the bell notification, so as soon as I upload the video you will get notification. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.